Bill Gates, from everything, and I've been following this guy since I was a kid.
Okay.
You know, I was a computer kid. I
Right.
was Windows. I was never a Mac guy.
Okay.
You know, when I was, my parents were too poor to afford Mac, Apples,
Right.
so we were always PCs. So I've been following Bill very closely most of my life. Bill does not want to go down as the world's richest man, the guy that stacked the most money. He wants to go down as the guy that made the biggest difference in the world. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has given away billions of dollars.
Good.
They've given away so much money. And people are gonna, oh no, he's evil, oh, just all tax breaks. People don't know what a tax write-off is.
Right.
If you see someone who donates $1 million, the first thing you say is tax write-off, you're an idiot. You don't know how taxes work, okay? I will do a short breakdown of it.
Okay.
If you make $2 million, you will have to pay taxes on $2 million.
You sure do.
If you give away $1 million, you could write that off, and you will still have to pay taxes on the remainder $1 million. But you will have more money if you kept the $2 million. If you kept the extra $1 million instead of giving it away.
Right.
You lose money by giving it away. Yes, you have a tax write-off, so it's not as big of a loss.
That's right.
But you will have more money by keeping it.
Yep.
So there's no donation that helps you out financially. You don't get the money back. It's not a refund.
Mm-hmm.
Bill Gates is, not only did he help save a lot of people in third world countries by offering better drinking water and everything else like that. In fact, early in the pandemic, he said that he was actually funding the factories to build the vaccines for vaccines that haven't been approved yet, knowing that a bunch of them are going to not get approved and just have to be scrapped.
Okay.
But he figured I could lose a few $1 billion if the flip side is saving billions of lives.
Okay.
Because we got to quickly get this stuff out.
Right.
So from what I'm seeing here is that they're very big on smart farming and farming technology and trying to help improve how things are grown and food is made and everything else like that. So I guess owning 242,000 acres, they could actually...
And that a lot of stuff is being organic and genetically raised fast. Like I saw an article where they created salmon.
Well, there is actually a restaurant in Singapore that is now serving lab-grown chicken. Okay? What this means is they take cells from a chicken, they put them in this huge chemical vat and run all this science stuff through it. I'm not going to pretend like I know what I'm talking about, but this is what they do. I've read these articles. You can look them up yourself. And they create a substance which is chicken. Genetically, it's exactly chicken. It tastes like chicken. It doesn't have the texture, but it is chicken without killing any chickens. So you could create as much chicken as you want without killing a single chicken.
Right. And they have to do this, ladies and gentlemen, because population of the world.
Population.
And it's not enough food.
Right.
They see it coming.
There's
not going to be enough food to take care of everybody.
I think it's great. And in fact, even me and Russell Simmons were talking about this, and he's a big vegan, vegetarian, whatever, but he thinks this is actually a good idea.
Okay.
Because you're not killing animals in the process.
Right.
The truth is, I've been a vegan for almost 20 years. I got it through my yoga practice because just the basic idea of causing less harm and being halfway compassionate. Most of you niggas can't choke a chicken, right? You can't, right? Really, much less would you be part of the abuse and the karmic disaster that kills almost 100 billion animals per year through rape and other kind of factory practices. They birth them into this suffering, and the suffering is short and really abusive. And then they stuff them with antibiotics and Prozac and growth hormones, and then they poison the planet because it takes all the resources. And then they poison the people.
And I'm anything for the world. I just find it fascinating how the world is changing in front of our eyes. From the food to technology to who would ever think that we could see another person on the phone clear on the other side of the world.
Right.
That's amazing.
Shout out to Soulja Boy. He's claiming credit for he had Kiss You Through the Phone. He's taking credit for FaceTime.
That's hilarious.
Soldier Boy.
Yeah,
Shout out to Soldier Boy.
To see the world changing is fascinating.
Yeah.
It really is.